This is the finished work of the jump start. I guess you can see right now this is the same 2012 Toyota Camry, and Mr. Joko has been able to prove us beyond reasonable doubt that this is the key. Came two of this key. You have to match the pedal of the car to start. Let me do that so while you see. Hold on. Just hold on. Okay. As you can see, when you match the pedal, brings up the light. It's on right now. You can as well off while your leg's still on the pedal. You want to on your radio without owning the car. You do this. Okay, the radio comes up. As you can see, it's come up. The car starts. So that is it. Okay.